I'm sure you've heard the news. Artificial intelligence is changing the world around us. It's not just a concept from science fiction anymore, it's a reality that's transforming various aspects of our lives. From the way we communicate to how we work and even how we entertain ourselves, AI is making its presence felt in numerous ways. From self-driving cars that navigate our streets with precision to personalized recommendations that cater to our unique tastes and preferences, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily routines. These technologies are designed to make our lives more convenient and efficient, often working behind the scenes to enhance our experiences. AI is becoming more common in our daily lives. Whether it's virtual assistants helping us manage our schedules, smart home devices that adjust the lighting and temperature, or even AI-driven customer service bots that assist us with our queries, the integration of AI into everyday activities is undeniable. One area where AI is having a big impact is the job market. The rise of AI technologies is reshaping the landscape of employment, creating new opportunities while also posing challenges. As machines become capable of performing tasks that were once the sole domain of humans, the nature of work is evolving. As AI technology advances, it's changing the types of jobs available and the skills needed to succeed. New roles are emerging that require expertise in AI and machine learning, while traditional jobs are being transformed to incorporate these technologies. This shift necessitates a focus on continuous learning and upskilling to stay relevant in the job market. AI is already being used in many industries, from healthcare to finance. In healthcare, AI is aiding in diagnostics, treatment planning, and even in performing surgeries with greater precision. In the finance sector, AI algorithms are being used for fraud detection, risk management, and personalized financial advice, making these services more efficient and accurate. This trend is only going to continue in the coming years. As AI technology continues to evolve, its applications will become even more widespread and sophisticated. The potential for AI to revolutionize various sectors is immense, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface of what is possible. By 2030, AI is expected to be a major force in the workplace. The future office environment will likely feature advanced AI systems working alongside human employees, enhancing productivity and enabling new ways of working. This collaboration between humans and machines will redefine the concept of work as we know it. It's important to understand how AI will impact jobs so that we can prepare for the future. Education and training programs focused on AI skills will be crucial in equipping the workforce with the knowledge and abilities needed to thrive in an AI-driven world. By embracing these changes and proactively adapting, we can ensure a future where AI and humans coexist and collaborate harmoniously. One of the biggest ways AI is impacting jobs is through automation. AI-powered machines and software can perform tasks that were previously done by humans. This is especially true for repetitive or rule-based tasks. For example, in manufacturing, robots are now used to assemble products on assembly lines. This automation can lead to job displacement, where workers are replaced by machines. Industries like manufacturing, transportation, and customer service are already seeing this trend. However, AI is also creating new jobs in areas like software development, data analysis, and AI engineering. So, how can workers adapt to these changes and thrive in an AI-powered world? The key is to focus on skills that AI cannot easily replicate. These include creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. Education and reskilling are crucial. Workers need to continuously update their skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the curve. This might involve taking online courses, attending workshops, or pursuing higher education in fields related to AI. The future of work with AI is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more complex and creative work. Imagine a doctor using AI to analyze medical images and assist with diagnoses, allowing them to spend more time with patients, or an architect using AI to generate design options, freeing them to focus on the artistic vision. This collaboration between humans and AI has the potential to make work more efficient, productive, and fulfilling. Section 5. AI's helping hand making work easier. AI is not just about automation and job displacement. It can also enhance existing jobs and make work easier for humans. AI-powered tools can automate tedious tasks, provide valuable insights from data, and improve decision-making. For example, marketers can use AI to analyze customer data and personalize marketing campaigns. Teachers can use AI to create customized learning plans for students. By taking over mundane tasks, AI allows humans to focus on the more creative and strategic aspects of their work. Section 6. The skills AI can't replace. What employers will want. As AI becomes more prevalent in the workplace, certain skills will be in high demand. While AI can handle repetitive tasks and data analysis, it lacks the human touch in many areas. This is where you come in. Employers will be looking for individuals who can work effectively alongside AI and leverage its capabilities. These skills include the ability to collaborate seamlessly with AI systems, enhancing productivity and innovation. Critical thinking and problem solving. The ability to analyze information, identify problems, and develop solutions. This means not just following algorithms, but questioning them, understanding their limitations, and thinking beyond the data provided. Creativity and innovation. The ability to think outside the box and come up with new ideas. In a world where AI can generate content, human creativity stands out in its ability to create unique, original concepts that resonate on a deeper level. Emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills. The ability to understand and manage emotions, both your own and others. This includes empathy, communication, and the ability to build strong relationships, which are crucial in team settings and leadership roles. Digital literacy and technological fluency. The ability to use and adapt to new technologies. This means not just knowing how to use tools, but understanding their potential and limitations, and being able to learn new systems quickly as they emerge. Leadership and management skills. The ability to guide teams, make strategic decisions, and inspire others. In an AI-driven world, leaders who can integrate AI into their strategies while maintaining a human touch will be invaluable. Lifelong learning and adaptability. The willingness and ability to continuously learn and adapt. As technology evolves, so must our skills. Being open to new knowledge and experiences will keep you relevant in the job market. Ethical judgment and decision-making. The ability to make decisions that are not only effective but also ethical. As AI systems become more powerful, the need for human oversight to ensure they are used responsibly becomes even more critical. Networking and relationship building. The ability to connect with others, share knowledge, and build professional relationships. In a world where AI can handle many tasks, human connections remain irreplaceable. By focusing on these skills, you can ensure that you remain valuable and relevant in an increasingly AI-driven world. Employers will seek out those who can bring a human touch to the technological landscape. Section 7. Beyond the headlines. AI's impact on different jobs. The impact of AI on jobs will vary across industries and professions. While some sectors may see a significant transformation, others might experience minimal changes. The extent of AI's influence largely depends on the nature of the tasks involved in each job. Some jobs are more susceptible to automation than others. For instance, roles that involve routine and repetitive tasks are prime candidates for automation. These tasks can be easily programmed into AI systems, making human intervention less necessary. For example, jobs that involve repetitive manual tasks like factory work or data entry are at a higher risk of being automated. In these environments, AI can perform tasks with greater efficiency and accuracy, reducing the need for human labor. On the other hand, jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving, such as scientists, artists, and entrepreneurs, are less likely to be fully automated. These roles often involve tasks that are not easily replicated by AI, as they require a deep understanding of context, nuance, and human emotion. These professions require uniquely human skills that AI is not yet able to replicate. While AI can assist in these fields by providing data analysis or automating mundane tasks, the core of these jobs relies on human ingenuity and emotional intelligence. As AI continues to evolve, it will be crucial for workers to adapt and develop skills that complement AI, ensuring a harmonious coexistence between human and machine in the workplace. Section 8. Shaping the Future. Our role in the AI revolution. The future of work with AI is not predetermined. We have the power to shape how AI is developed and implemented in the workplace. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in ensuring that AI benefits everyone. This includes investing in education and reskilling programs, fostering a culture of lifelong learning, and promoting ethical AI development that prioritizes human well-being. By working together, we can create a future where AI enhances our work and creates new opportunities for everyone. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the AI future. The rise of AI is transforming the job market as we know it. While it's true that AI will automate some jobs, it will also create new opportunities and change the way we work. By embracing lifelong learning, developing essential skills, and fostering a collaborative approach to AI, we can navigate this changing landscape and create a future where humans and AI thrive together. The key is to be adaptable, resilient, and prepared to embrace the exciting possibilities that AI brings to the world of work.